What if I told you some of South Africa's biggest stars didn't grow up with parents? No silver spoon, no safety net, no mom and dad cheering from the sidelines. Today we're talking about 10 South African celebrities who grew up as orphans and turned pain into power. Grab your tissues because some of these stories, they are heavy. Let's get into it. At number 10, we have WHP. WHP, who goes by the real name Jabulani Tambo, lost his mother at a young age and later lost his father too. He was open about struggling with depression throughout his life. Growing up without his parents shaped him deeply, and you could hear that pain in his music. Despite the trauma, he became one of the pioneers of Motswako and one of South Africa's most respected hip-hop artists. His journey proved that talent can rise from heartbreak. At number 9, we have Pheltusi. Pheltusi lost both her parents while she was still young. She has spoken about how losing her mother affected her deeply. She was forced to grow up fast and navigate life without that parental guidance. Today, she's an international actress starring in Netflix's Queen Sono and building an empire. But behind the glam, there's a girl who had to survive loss early in life. At number 8, we have AKA. AKA lost his father at a young age. While he wasn't a complete orphan, growing up without his dad played a major role in shaping his drive and ambition. He often spoke about wanting to be the best, to dominate, to win. Sometimes that hunger comes from having to fill a gap that was never meant to be empty. Number 7, we have John Kani. John Kani lost his parents early and was raised in difficult circumstances during apartheid. He fought through systemic oppression, poverty, and personal loss, and still became a global icon. From theater legend to starring in Black Panther, his story is resilience on another level. At number 6, we have Kelly Khumalo. Kelly Khumalo lost her father when she was young and has spoken about the pain of growing up without him. Her emotional music often reflects abandonment, betrayal, and survival. Love her or hate her, you can't deny she turned trauma into vocals that shake the soul. And number 5, we have Zonke Dikana. Zonke Dikana lost both her parents at a young age. She was raised by relatives and had to grow up quickly. Her music is calm, soulful, and mature, and now you understand why. Pain has a sound, and sometimes it sounds like Zonke. At number 4, we have Connie Ferguson. Connie Ferguson lost her mother when she was still young. She has spoken about how losing her mother shaped her strength and independence. Today, she's a powerhouse producer and actress, but that strength, it was built through loss. At number 3, we have Cassper Nyovest. Cassper Nyovest has spoken about growing up without consistent parental presence and the struggle of his upbringing. While not fully orphaned, he experienced instability that shaped his hunger for success. From struggling artist to filling stadiums, that comeback story hits differently. At number 2, we have Sophie Ndaba. Sophie Ndaba lost her parents early in life. She has openly discussed how painful that period was and how it forced her to mature quickly. She became a household name on Generations, but her real-life story even more dramatic. At number 1, we have Brenda Fassie. Brenda Fassie lost her mother when she was just 15 years old. That loss affected her deeply and influenced her rebellious spirit and emotional music. The queen of African pop, wild, talented, unapologetic, and at the core, a young girl who lost her biggest supporter. These stories remind us that success doesn't erase pain. Some of South Africa's biggest stars were once just kids, grieved, confused, alone, and somehow they still made it. If this video touched you, drop a heart in the comments down below and tell me which story touched you the most. This is Gossip Grenade, and I'll see you in the next one.